In this video, I want to show you a simple trick that works for many people in case your PS portal is not able to connect to your PS5. If you get error message, if it disconnects, what should you do? Well, one of the easiest thing to do is to go in the settings of the portal itself. So you can drag down from the top right corner to make this appear, and then select settings, go into the network settings, and then you see there's airplane mode. Turn it on and wait around 20 seconds. Okay, after 20 seconds, turn it off. Wait for the network to connect, okay, so your Wi-Fi. Wait a bit. And fortunately, after it connects to your Wi-Fi, you'll be able to use it with your PS5 and you won't have any issues at all. You can do the same thing on your PS5 if it's beside you, okay? So put it in airplane mode, wait 20 seconds and connect it back to the internet by turning off airplane mode. Hopefully this solved your issue. If you're still having problems connecting your portal to your PS5, you can also shut down your portal, okay, completely, turn off. Do the same thing with your PS5 if you have it around you, and then power on both of these devices after 2 minutes, and this will delete any software bugs that you may encounter that forbids you connecting both together. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment down below, subscribe, like, and yeah, if you have other tricks, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.